Hi guys, I am myself Shadin. I am from the Boring Arts team, Dhaka International University. Basically, our project is LandLedger blockchain. I am introducing my teammates, Junaid Sani. He is our team leader and blockchain architect. His skill is solidity, smart contact, and fast API. And myself, Shadin Bishar. I am I am AI and ML engineer. And beside I work on OCR, NLP, CB, and TensorFlow. Next is our full stack developer, Mr. Imran. He basically developed React, Node.js, and Bcash API on this project. And fourth one is Tanjim Lavika. He actually designed the software in UAE in US UAE and US. She basically work with Flutter, Figma, and other tools. Here is our team and our GitHubs and our NID link. So basically, we are trying to solve a huge problem of Bangladesh, the land crisis. In the We can see in Bangladesh there are many frauding in land that frauding in lands that actually causes harm. Basically, it count the pending case on court, and people are frustrating on this. So we are basically trying to solve this problem using blockchain so that we don't have to face any of this problem. Here is our product, the homepage. Anyone can use it if he had a NID or a passport. This is our public dashboard, the blockchain dashboard. Here an user can see the recent transaction and which transaction are made, and user can log in using credential. So we take a dim credential for login, and if we log in there, user can actually show his dashboard and he can register land, uh, and view the map if he interested to buy any land. So in the map, there is an interesting thing. Here is our land and with NFT certificate, and we can see the full details of the land. Here is our land certificate with NFT, and we can share it by QR or and you can see the owner identity and is GPS coordination of the land and the boundary points of the land. And it's for a square, but in real life that can be any kind of shape. But we have to point out the GPS coordinate. Here is the transaction history if this land is handover or not, and the land use type is commercial, and the verification status is verified. And if we see the system of a land, we can see a enhanced AI analysis that shows us the current market value of this land. Uh, and what kind of crops can be grown there, and current market price and the trend ratio, demand of this land, and the satellite imagery we can see the temperature, moisturizer, and the lightfulness of this land, and the soil quality, moisturizer, and flood risk, and the distance from the river. So if we go to the analysis, we can see the report of the total site, and it is publicly available data. Everyone can see that, so the system can be monitored by everyone. Basically, in the front end, it's not huge thing, but back in there is huge thing. And if we want to see how the transfer demo work, so if we log in, using login user, sorry, it's Fatima, and Fatima actually don't own any land. He already transported the land. Okay, if we go to Rim. Okay. Algorithm has land. You can transfer the NFT ownership. If we go there, the new select the new owner and transfer the NFT. It's will take some time, and admin will verify this. So if we go to log out from this and log into a admin account, if we go for a login account, here you can see the user account and the plot transaction. User verification, and there is the user is registered, and this the recent transaction is there, which can be resolved or rejected. New plot registration. Here is the new plot registration. You can approve from there, or plot approve, and we can manage plot transaction and see report. Here is the current transaction management. Here is the user management. Here is the user management, and okay. There is others. One is called the validator. Validator basically can validator or basically watcher. They can ask the system who is registered or not, and other they can approve the system for admin, approve the registration for admin. Okay. Just, okay. For now, our unique value proposition is it's actually if we see our competitor, the Georgia land, they have centralized no limitation is centralized and no AI. They are no, they are centralized and government can actually own their land, and our is decentralized. And we have AI valuation. If we see the Indian Bhumi, there is no blockchain, but our is immutable blockchain and is grown. And if we see a competitor, Bitland, Ghana, no financial layer. There is no financial layer, and we in our system we actually introduce the loan system. A user can mortgage their land and take loan from the bank, and our approach is hybrid position. We can why we can win the hybrid make trust and community. Blockchain community, AI-driven financial inclusion, Bangla native models. So anyone can use this site in Bangla, and this is a smart contract enable models. So you have actually the credit score and other system to get a good point or mortgage. So this is our business model and revenue strategy. Here we can see our revenue stream is registration fee. So everyone will take a registration fee 100 taka per plot, and annual potential is 5 crore. And transaction fee is 1% of sale. If anyone transfer is NFT, it will give us 1%, and each can be in year 25 to 125 crore. And backend a bank API access, if user or bank want to access our API, we will charge them 200 taka per query, and it can earn up to 20 crores. And if we take data as a service, institutional service, and we can annually can earn maybe 24 crore. So basically, we want to launch our MVP pilot, and we want to partner with Bangladeshi Bank Sandbox, and we will train AI model train with the real data from our side. And validator onboarding, we want to hire some validator from various area to validate the official validator. We want to hire them as a official validator. This is all.